Hi everyone. So I get frequent questions about how do you get to know that the whether the website has been built on WordPress or the website has been built by code. Now definitely for someone who has experience, okay, for him it's very easy. Now I can, in most of the cases, I can just see a website and I can tell whether it has been built on a code, whether it has been taken WordPress into consideration. I can just see a website. I can even tell that what are the codes that have been used because it has completely come out of my experience. There is no other thing. Okay, so I have worked literally for this industry. I have worked as a web designer, and moving on, I have tried to garner that experience. Now you people will also be able to do that in case you have that experience in near future. But right now, when you don't have the experience, then how do you get it? Now in most of the cases, what happens is you have a tool. Now I'll just do it here and I'll give you that understanding. Now let's say you just want to check that whether this website, that is my website, it's my own website that I have created. Now you want an answer that whether my website have been built on WordPress or my website have been built on a code, okay, that I have coded it. So let's check this. Now to do that, you have to use this plugin or you have to use this extension, that is Webalizer. Now how do you get this extension is come back to Google Chrome, and in your Google Chrome just write Chrome extensions. You have to go to this link, that is chrome.google.com, then web store. Now that web store has got extensions, powerful extensions and beautiful themes. Now just click on or just trying to find out Webalizer. Now see, you have to click to Webalizer and see Webalizer tool will appear here. Now you have to click on this, and can you just see this, that for me here is an option to remove from Chrome. You know why? Because I have added it to Chrome. Here is the tool, but for you it would be added to Chrome. You just have to add it to Chrome and you have to click on this and you have to pin your tool, that is the Webalizer. Now if you unpin something, then see that will go away. Like Gmask, I'm just, see, this is Gmask, I'm just plugging in and plugging out. Can you see? I'll just keep Gmask here and I'll just plug in and plug out, and you will just get to see that it's going away and coming in. Right, can you see it's going away and coming in? Similarly, you have to pin Webalizer. Now once Webalizer comes up, now let's say you have completely loaded a website. Now click on this and see, it is telling that this website is a WordPress website and the programming language is PHP. PHP is a primary code on which WordPress has been built. So WordPress itself has been built on PHP. Now this is a WordPress website because it is giving you the notification, or it is giving you the notice that it is on CMS, and that is WordPress 5.7.2, and definitely I am using Google Analytics. Okay, that is what is the information. Let's check it with Colorado Academy. Let's trigger Webalizer. See, again, CMS is WordPress, programming PHP. Okay, blogs in WordPress. Did you see this? So even blogs are on WordPress. Okay, 5.7.2. Let's check it with this site, or let's say this site. Now see, these are all coded websites. See, there will not get to see that, they will not tell you that it is a WordPress website. There is no information on WordPress. Also they are writing the programming language is Node.js. Similarly, if you come down to this website of Upgrad and you trigger this, okay, they have blocked this tool, so you can't check, but I'll tell you what is the other way around of checking it. And you can also come to Simplilearn and you can check, and here we go, it's a Node.js. You can also come to this website and you can check, that is agency website, it's on jQuery. So this is what you can use to check. Now there is another way of doing it. Now whenever you are on the website, just type on your Chrome, just type Control U. You can also type it on your Mozilla Firefox. Now just type Control U, and whenever you type Control U, let's do it Control U here, and also let's do Control U in my website or in Colorado Academy website. I have actually blocked that, so let's do it on Colorado Academy website. Now here you can see, in any website you want to check whether it's a WP website or not, that is a WordPress website or not, you can just click Control F, and on Control F this bar will open and you can type WP. Now see, with WP it will tell you WP is WordPress. Now see, so many WP options: WP integrations, WP emoji, WP smiley, WP image, WP emoji settings, WP book library, CSS includes plugins and all, WP WhatsApp social chat, because Color Academy has got this chat and much more. So all of these let you know that this is a website that has been on WordPress. Same will happen with any other WordPress website, but with this website, if you check the back end like I checked, now let's try out WP and see, will not get any WP. These WP are viewport, these are not WordPress. But let's try out HTML and see, there are HTML. So this is an HTML or other coded platform website wherein it has been coded. Similarly, you can check it with Simplilearn. Now Simplilearn, it's a source code, it's a view source. Now see, again they are using HTML and stuff. Now you can try out with WP. Now see, there is no WP. After you try write WP, just hit enter, you will not get to see. Okay, these WP are again viewport and Ybot bootcamp and all of that. These are not WordPress. WordPress is different. Okay, but at the same point of time, if you try and check with HTML or other codes like PHP and all, see, so many options. Okay, so HTML and all, it has been coded. Okay, Node.js and stuff. So this is how you can check how to find out whether the website is a website that has been on WordPress or whether the website is a website that has been on any other coded platform. All right, thank you.